In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to search for directory names that contain a specific word on Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Now type this command, find. Type D, name, asterisk, your word asterisk. Let's break that down so you understand what each part does. The dot means start searching from the current folder. Type D tells it to look only for directories, not files. Name asterisk your word asterisk means you're searching for folder names that include your word. Replace your word with the actual string you want to find. For example, find. Type D, name asterisk log asterisk. This command will show all folders in and below the current folder that have the word log in their name. It searches recursively through all subdirectories. If you want to search your whole system, not just the current folder, change the dot to a slash like this. Find, type D, name, asterisk log asterisk 2 /dev /null. The 2 /dev /null part at the end hides error messages like permission denied warnings, so your results are cleaner. That's the easiest and most reliable way to find folders with a certain word in their name on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.